Yo, what is up guys? This is Harry from Harry Tech back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to make money by reviewing books. So if you are a bookworm, a book lover, and you love to read and you want to make money while doing that, then you are in the right place. We're going to be showing you a legit website to do so. I mean, this website is not going to make you rich, but it will be a decent side hustle or side income. We're going to be showing you the steps in order to actually get enrolled, in order to actually get these offers, and how you can get started with this website. Before we jump into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and also check our last videos where we do some case studies. For example, if you want to actually make money with AdSense, we have multiple videos about that, some videos about affiliate marketing, and also we take suggestions. So if you want something featured on the channel, then you can drop it in the comment section down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's just start with this video. So the first thing that we need to do is take a look at the reviews about this website. So we are now on Trustpilot, and as you can see, there is over 570 reviews, and overall reviews is 3.5 or 4, I should say, out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. And if we go by the numbers, if we click on that, this website has 76% of positive or 5 stars reviews, and the rest is just mixed reviews, as you can see. But for the most part, you can do your due diligence about this website. I've checked it. I've actually talked to some people. I've talked to the staff, and it seems legit, and people are making money with it. So yeah, here are some the bad reviews or mild reviews. Here are some of the great reviews. Some people are actually sharing their experience with this website. As you can see, this guy here says that he proofread a novel and assisted some writers, and he got paid to do that in here. Also, this guy said it's a great opportunity to actually read books and get paid to do that. And the rest of the comments here showing the same thing as well. So like I said, you can check Trustpilot reviews for yourself. Another way to actually check for websites or the legitimacy of these websites is actually Reddit. So I went on Reddit and I've seen and tried to look for some comments about this website, and a lot of people are actually praising this website. So I went to onlinebooks.club, I mean the community for this website, and a lot of people are actually saying good things about it. As you can see, this person made over $100 and another 40 is pending. So yeah, it seems like this website is actually legit. And like I said, you can do your due diligence. You can check for reviews online yourself. But from what we gathered, this website is actually legit. Now, what is this website? The website is called onlinebook.club.org. The link will be in the description down below. It's very simple. All you need to do is just go to this website and create your free account. Okay, it's just simple as creating your account, email, pass, and yeah, that should be it. Once you do that, you will have everything that you need for this website, to navigate this website, and you will have this section here that says make money and earn rewards. You can join the free daily $20 giveaway, which they do on daily basis. So you can join their free giveaways on a daily basis, and if you earn the money, you will receive it via PayPal. And this step is actually necessary. You will have a subscribe button right here, so click on it. That way you will activate your account and you will receive offers to review books on this website. So let me explain it further. Let me just go to my email. This is my email right here, and as you can see, I've been getting a lot of emails from the support of this website with multiple offers that I can make money from. So let's just say, for example, or let's take a look at this one, for example. Get paid $30 to buy and read and review $3 book. So essentially, you will buy a $3 book and review it and earn $30 in return. So that's how this website works. You buy a book, then leave a review, and then get paid. Also, this one here says get paid $50 to review $3 book. This one also says get paid 50, 50, 50, 30, 50, 50. So you will have offers like these once you are enrolled in onlinebookclub.org. So once you subscribe, like I said, with free giveaway and warm up your account, you will start receiving these offers on your email. The latest one I had was on the 1st of August. So let's take a look at it. You will get paid $30 to buy and review $3 book. So this is essentially the way to earn money from this website. Like I said, you will buy the book and review it, and in this email it will entail the details and the steps that you need to do in order to actually earn money. So the step one is to actually go and visit this link or access the offer via this link. Okay, once you do that, you will have the book itself, the title of the book, the author name, the language, and the description as well. And if you scroll all the way down, you will have the payout, which is the amount that you will earn once you review this book. And as you can see, you will have the review this book button right here. So this is how it usually goes. This is the offer. So do not click on review this book, because you only, I suppose, have one-time access to this link. So before you do that, I just wanted to actually show you. So do not click on review this book. Before that, you will need to actually buy the book itself. So essentially, this is the first step, then this is the second step. So you need to go and buy the book from Amazon Kindle, then read the book, then head back to the first link and leave your review. Okay, so this is how it goes. Now, once you click the second link, it will take you to Amazon with your region. If you are region based, if you want to access your Amazon region based website, let's just go, for example, with USA plus all countries, and it will take you to the book itself, which is being sold for $3, like they mentioned in the email. So you need to actually buy it, read it, and then leave your review. The book has 296 pages, almost 300 pages. So like I said, you need to actually go through these books and read them, then come back, leave your review. Now for the review, you have to actually adhere to some of their guidelines. So the last link that you will have in these emails will be the guidelines. Okay, so click on it and scroll all the way down. You need to actually check and stick to these rules and guidelines, otherwise you will not, your review will not be approved. So you need to actually write a review that follows these guidelines. So you have these guidelines for writing the review. The review must be written in the same language as the book. So if it is in English, you need to write it in English. If it is in French, then you need to actually write it in French. The review must be at least 300 words. So make sure to do that as well. The review must not include any spoilers, so you will not spoil what happens in the book. So you need to keep your review superficial, and you need to actually have a good grammar. Your review should be flawless, and you need to actually follow these guidelines essentially. So everything that you need is in the email given to you. Like I said before, once you do like one offer, you will have multiple offers like these from their support team, telling you to how to review a book and make money with their website. So we have reached the end of our review. Like I said, this is one of the best legit ways to make money online while reading books. Like I said, if you love reading books, if you are a bookworm or book lover, then this is a perfect way for you to make money on the site. If you have any questions, then drop a comment in the comment section below. I will reach back to you. And if you have any other requests, you can also either send them to me via my email. It will be in the description down below as well, or request them in the comment section. And take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.